Looks pikey. Doubled up. Doubled up.
Pick him up. Pick him up.
Flip it. Flip it. Get it in. Net it. Net it. Net it. Net the minnow. Net the minnow. Net the minnow. Net the minnow. Net the minnow.
Okay, get the minnow out of the net. Never mind, I got it out.
All right. We're on fire.
Back in the water.
Not quite a keeper. 15 and a half. We'll put it in. Look out.
On the drop.
I also got mine on the drop. Well done, Kason. That one, but we're gonna put it in there. 15 and a half. I just missed one. On. Boop. Beep boop. See, I'm gonna go in the boat fast with it, Kason.
Yeah.
He didn't. Yeah, that's fine. Trying to lose my rod. Oh, we're on fire. That one's probably too small no matter what. Just barely 15. We'll throw it back.
See? Now keep it tight.
There you go.
Flip it in.
Flip it in fast. There you go. Perfect. That might be keeper. Falls is on fire so far today. Although I guess we didn't have bait the other day when we were here and we kind of did well.
How big do you think this one is?
I don't know, measure it.
That's too small.
What is it, Casey?
14 and a quarter.
All right, there you go. Good job. Yeah, I was there for that.
2 days in a row. No, 2 days in a row. All in artificial.
I believe it. This is a good one. Oh, maybe it's not that good of one. I thought it was better.
20.
Just under 15. Nice. All right. Flip it in, flip it in. Now down, 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 down. See how you're lifting it up with your rod? Your rod was holding the whole thing. You're lucky it's a nuggly stick. Flip them, all right? Nice catch, though. That was...
Yeah, good job.
Whew. Well, we went to go get my spoon unsnagged, and as soon as it came unsnagged, big pike munched it. Oh, mer. Okay, I need jaw spreaders and pliers. Kason, you're standing on one of them. Let's lay that down, see what he weighs. Or what he measures. 30. Murray, you want to take a picture quick?
Is he dead?
Nope.
Sometimes they just need help getting her back in. Like my boat's tail.
It took us a long time to get the hook out of it, so it's going to take a little bit to revive. There it goes.
That was a big pike.
Yep, that was a good one. There's one.
Like a little disc work.
Ooh. Where'd my minnow go? I saw it fly.
That's keeper. I got keeper.
14. We're gonna have to start keeping some of those soon. All right, we're finally hooked up. We got one on a swim bait in this slack water. Oh, if that is, that's an eater. Yahtzee! Yahtzee! Smoked the purple swimming bait. I got it hooked in the bottom lip, weird, but I'm betting that's a 16, 17 incher. 16 and 3/4. Put them in our live well. Nope, that way. There you go. You gonna figure it out? He's gonna figure it out. Got one. No, I think it's a walleye. I think it's a good one too. Oh, it is. It might be too big. Oh, it's a pike. Got him though. Not quite an eater. There you go, buddy. Whee! On this purple homemade swim bait I picked up at the gas station. If that's a walleye, it's a good one.
What happened?
Lost fish. Be a good one, eh? Be a good one on the swimmer. It's feeling better. Good one. Healthy one. 14 and a half. I don't think so. Found a hole. I found a hole. I found a hole. And I'm not wasting our minnows. Ooh, man, I thought that was the bottom. That was a bite. Got my pants pulled down. There's one. What do we got? Not quite. Not quite again. Almost 15, not quite. What? That was a bite. Oh, what do we got? What do we got? Another one, cookie cutter. Cookie cutter. Man, that 116 and 3/4 was an anomaly. There we go. Man, I just cut that other clip. That was like 4 casts in a row here. Come on, be a little bit bigger. Give me some size. I like it. I like it. I like the pull. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That'll do something. Be to see me. Oh yeah, 16er. That'll do. All right. Can we go for like 5 casts in a row? Well, this is where I would have had a bite by now. Got one. Oh. We are on 'em. This one is not big, but we're on them. This is like 6 casts in a row. What's that? I can't hear you. See? They're tanking it though. Is this getting repetitive for you guys? Because it's really not getting repetitive for me yet, although my arms are getting tired. On the drop for that one. Ooh, better. Better. That one's better. Come on. Be that better caliber. Meh. Seemed bigger. Fought pretty hard. Probably only about maybe a 15. Yeah, 14. Thanks for playing, bud. Well, the streak ends at 7. There's one. We skipped a cast, but there's another one. Oh, it's a good thing we're catching because the bugs right now are horrible here. Right in the stuff. Whew, my arms are getting tired, guys. I don't think so. But I'm knocking the snot out of them. Knocking the snot out of them. I'm on a better roll than, but with less quality fish. Oh, that one's not very big, but we got another one. Oh, thank you. Ooh, that was a better hook set. That's a better one. That's a better one. Come on, baby. Oh boy. Yeah, buddy. That's a 16er. Oh, and a healthy fat one. Oh. And he's happy to see us. Holy shnikes. Is he ever. Perfect, that's a 16. Guys, this is kind of ridiculous. It's almost boring doing it all in one spot. But normally this spot it's good, but it's not this good. I could complain about the size, but who would listen? Woohoo! Oh, I thought I ran the spot dry, but I didn't. At least not yet. Another 14 and a half guy. Fun times. Fun times in the Walleye River.